the Uni Knot, and things you didn't know about it. Thread the line through the eye of the hook or lure and parallel to your main line. Form a loop with the tag end, ensuring it's large enough to comfortably wrap the tag back inside the loop. Make at least 5 or 7 coils around the double line formed by the tag and main line. Moisten the knot and slowly pull both ends of the line to tighten it securely, ensuring the wraps form a neat and ordered pattern. Uni Knot ready. Subscribe for more. The Uni Knot, also known as the Duncan Loop or Grinner Knot, is a versatile and reliable knot used in fishing. It was popularized by Norman Duncan, an American fishing enthusiast, in the late 1940s. The Uni Knot is highly regarded for its strength and reliability. It retains a high percentage of the original line strength, typically around 90–95%. The Uni Knot is incredibly versatile and can be used with various types of fishing lines, including monofilament, fluorocarbon, and braided lines. Apart from fishing, the Uni Knot is also used in other outdoor activities such as camping and climbing. It's favored by both amateur and professional anglers due to its ease of tying and untying. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content.
Fin Fishing TV.